We just celebrated Christmas. Decorations are still up. Some of the food is still in the fridge. And the house slowly going back to normal. Christmas always feels full. Full of gatherings. Full of noise. Full of emotion. And then suddenly, it's over. But this is where the true meaning of Christmas really settles in. Not in the lights, not in the gifts, but in how we return to our ordinary days. Christmas reminds us of the love that came quietly, humbly, into the middle of everyday life. And that's the invitation, to carry that love into how we live after the celebration, into how we serve, how we show up, how we care for what God entrusted to us. Christmas doesn't end when the day passes. It continues in the way we live each day. Even here,